This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activations procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WLRN-FM, who will continue to serve the Miami area. If you are not in the Miami area, you should tune now into stations providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Miami area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone liner should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. At approximately 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA has discovered an asteroid, named 2023 April 1st, which is approximately 5 miles wide, and is heading for a direct collision course for Earth, and will impact our planet within the next hour. This asteroid is expected to impact in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Unfortunately, NASA has made a dark and unfortunate statement that this asteroid is capable of causing the extinction of all life on Earth, and there is no way in deflecting the asteroid away from the Earth, as it's too large to be deflected. At this time, there is absolutely no way of surviving this event. All residents of the world are strongly advised to do the final instructions during this event. Gather with your loved ones, such as family and friends, as well as loved possessions, and embrace for your inevitable death. If you are part of the religious domination, pray to your higher being or beings, and repent. I have selected a verse of the Bible to be read on the air, John 3:16, "For God so loved the world, he gave his one and only Son." We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with one last playing of our national anthem. Goodbye forever, I will see you in the afterlife. An administrative message from the President of the United States, Federal Emergency Management Agency, the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is an all-clear message. I repeat, this is an all-clear message. The emergency action notification message that was sent 1 hour ago has been deemed false. It has been confirmed that the emergency alert system was hacked by 2 individuals, sending out a message broadcasted from the emergency alert system that the world is coming to an end, to prank people across the world to celebrate April Fool's Day. These individuals are currently being investigated at this time. At this time, there is no asteroid, and the world is not going to end, and you may now resume to your daily lives.